team. We've had a great 2 days talking about our 2019 accomplishments and our plans for 2020. I hope we've had fun. I hope we learned a lot and we can embrace the new We Are ExxonMobil culture and continue to work together better as a team to meet our 2020 commitments. Look forward to working with you guys for the next year. Thanks. Have a good day.
Wow, fantastic day right here at the base of the volcano. Had a great time at the team building, doing lots of fantastic activities like archery and photo shoots and many, many wonderful things. Beautiful day, fantastic.